Our bodies are incredible machines, constantly working to maintain balance and health. But in today's world of processed foods and sedentary lifestyles, we often need simple, natural solutions to support our well-being. Today, we're exploring the remarkable benefits of cucumber water, nature's refreshing answer to weight management and overall health. Each morning, millions of people reach for coffee or sugary drinks to start their day. But what if there was a better way? Cucumber water, a combination so simple yet powerful, has been used for centuries in traditional wellness practices. This humble drink is now gaining recognition in modern health circles, backed by scientific research highlighting its impressive benefits. Picture a cucumber composed of 95% water and packed with essential nutrients. When sliced and immersed in water, it releases a cascade of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Vitamin K supports bone health, while vitamin C boosts immune function. Potassium helps regulate blood pressure, and silica promotes healthy skin and connective tissue. The magic of cucumber water lies in its ability to support weight management through multiple pathways. First, it enhances hydration, which is crucial for metabolic function. When we're properly hydrated, our bodies operate more efficiently, burning calories more effectively. Studies show that drinking water before meals can reduce calorie intake by up to 13%, and cucumber water makes staying hydrated more enjoyable. Cucumbers contain compounds called cucurbitacins and lignans, which have anti-inflammatory properties. These natural compounds help reduce bloating and water retention, leading to a flatter stomach and improved digestion. The natural diuretic effect helps flush out toxins while maintaining essential electrolyte balance. But the benefits don't stop at weight management. Cucumber water supports skin health through its high silica content, helping to maintain collagen and elastin, the proteins responsible for skin elasticity. The anti-inflammatory properties can help reduce acne and skin irritation, promoting a natural, healthy glow from the inside out. Cucumber water is a simple, refreshing way to support your body's natural processes and enhance your overall well-being. Creating this beneficial drink is remarkably simple. Start with fresh organic cucumbers, washed thoroughly. Slice them thinly to maximize surface area and nutrient release. Add the slices to filtered water and let them infuse for at least 1 hour, though overnight provides the most benefits. 1 medium cucumber per pitcher is ideal, and the water can be refrigerated for up to 3 days. For enhanced benefits, consider adding complementary ingredients. Mint leaves aid digestion and add a refreshing flavor. Lemon slices boost vitamin C content and support the body's natural detoxification processes. A pinch of Himalayan salt can add trace minerals and help with electrolyte balance. The best time to consume cucumber water is throughout the day, starting first thing in the morning. This early morning ritual helps activate your metabolism and hydrate your body after sleep. Drinking it before meals can help control portion sizes naturally, while consuming it between meals maintains steady hydration and helps distinguish between true hunger and thirst. Remember, cucumber water is not a magic solution, but rather a supportive tool in your health journey. Combined with regular exercise, balanced nutrition, and adequate sleep, it can help optimize your body's natural functions and support your wellness goals. As more research emerges about the importance of proper hydration and natural nutrition, cucumber water stands out as a simple yet effective way to support our health. It's accessible, affordable, and adaptable to individual tastes and needs. In a world of complex health solutions, sometimes the simplest answers are the most powerful. By incorporating cucumber water into your daily routine, you're not just choosing a refreshing beverage. You're choosing to support your body's natural processes, enhance your hydration, and take a step toward optimal health. The journey to wellness doesn't always require dramatic changes. Sometimes, it starts with something as simple as a glass of cucumber-infused water.